As shown in the video, we stack the two handles together and look at them from the same angle. By swapping their positions, you can clearly see that one handle's holes are offset to the left, and the other handle's holes are offset to the right. That's how we tell which is the left handle and which is the right dot. Now let's look at the difference when we place the two handles side by side. In the video, we stand behind the wheels of the hand truck. From this angle, the handle that you hold with your right hand has its holes offset to the left. As shown in the video, we install that handle into the right side frame tube, and the other one into the left side tube. Finally, you can see the correct installation orientation dot.